Good day, classmates. Good day, Mambate. I am the fifth presenter of the Group 5 about the global food security. Imagine a world where no one goes to bed hungry. Despite abundant food production and technological advancements, hunger persists and food waste remains a major issue. Why does this happen? And more importantly, how can we fix it? The answer often lies in a powerful combination of strategies: the smarter production, reduced waste, stronger supply chains, support for small farmers, and innovation to ensure food reaches those in need. So, how can we unlock this puzzle and create a food secure future for everyone? Let's, let's explore the case strategies that can turn this vision into reality. Achieving global food security requires a multi-phased approach that addresses food production, distribution, affordability, and sustainability. So here are the strategies. First, increase agricultural productivity. This is essential for ensuring food security and economic growth. One way to achieve this is by improving access to high-yield crops and resilient seeds, which can enhance production even in challenging environmental conditions. Sustainable even in challenging environmental conditions, sustainable in farming techniques such as crop rotation, which helps maintain soil fertility, agroforestry, which integrates trees with crops to improve biodiversity, and precision agriculture, which uses technology to optimize resource use, further contribute to productivity and sustainability. Additionally, expanding irrigation infrastructure and promoting water conservation methods ensure a reliable water supply, reducing the risks associated with droughts and climate change while maximizing crop yields. For example, in the India, from India's green revolution and Kenya use of precision agriculture show how innovation can increase food production, cut imports, and support local economies. The second strategies of global food security is the reduce food waste and loss. Reducing food waste and loss is crucial for ensuring that more food reaches people who need it. In many developing countries, poor storage, transportation, and distribution system lead to significant food spoilage before it even reaches consumers. Improving the system can help preserve food quality and reduces losses. Educating consumers and business on proper food handling, portion control, and expiration date management can also prevent waste at the household and commercial levels. Additionally, policies that encourage the redistribution of surplus food, such as donating excess food from restaurants, grocery stores, and farms to food banks, can help feed vulnerable populations instead of letting food go to waste. Example in the France. Like France laws require supermarkets to donate unsold food, and apps like Too Good To Go show how policy and technology can effectively cut waste and enhance food and distribution. The third the third strategies of global food security is to strengthen supply chains and trade. Strengthening supply chains and trade ensures that food is distributed efficiently from farms to consumers, reducing shortages and price fluctuations. Enhancing global and local food distribution networks helps move quickly and reliably, preventing delays that can lead to spoilage. Reducing trade barriers such as high tariffs or strict import or export restrictions allows food to flow smoothly across the borders, ensuring that regions facing shortages can access essential supplies. Investing in rural infrastructure like better roads and modern storage facilities help farmers transport their produce to market, more efficiently, reducing losses and increasing their income. So these efforts create a more stable and accessible food system for everyone. For example, in the Rwanda investment in over 2,000 kilometers in rural roads, for instance, has lowered transport costs, cut post-harvest losses, and boosted local incomes and food stability. And the fourth strategies in global food security is to promote climate resilient agriculture. Promote climate resilient agriculture help farmers adapt to changing weather patterns and maintain food production despite the challenges like droughts, floods, what else? Heat waves. Developing crops that can withstand extreme conditions ensures stable crops that can withstand extreme and climate smart agricultural practices such as no-till farmer or no-till farming, which reduces soil erosion and retains moisture, and cover cropping, which improves soil health and prevent land degradation, make farming more sustainable. Additionally, protecting biodiversity and ecosystems such as preserving pollinators like bees and maintaining health soils, ensuring long-term agricultural productivity and food security in the face of climate change. For example, this Kenya use of drought-tolerant maize and sustainable practices has improved resilience and soil quality. The fifth strategies in global food security is support smallholder farmers. Smallholder farmers are often struggle with limited resources, making it difficult for them to increase their production and income. Providing them with access to financing, modern farming income. Providing them with access to financing, modern tools, and training programs can help improve their yields and efficiency. Certain land rights ensures they have secure ownership of their farms, while social protections like insurance help them recover from crop failures. Encouraging cooperative farming allows small farmers to work together, share resources, and sell their products at better prices in local markets. So the IFAD means the International Fund for Agricultural Development has been instrumental in empowering smallholder farmers by providing financial assistance, training, and infrastructure investments. Through these, through these rural development programs, the IFAD helps small farmers increase productivity, adapt to climate change, and access markets, ensuring the rural communities can thrive in a global food system. For instance, the IFAD irrigation program in Ethiopia offers microloans, modern tools, and climate resilient trading, leading to higher yields, reduced drought risk, and better incomes. The sixth strategies in global food security is improving nutrition and food accessibility or improve nutrition and food accessibility. Ensuring people have access to nutritious food is essential for public health. Encouraging local food production and educating communities about balanced diets can help diversify meals. Strengthening food assistance programs such as school meal programs and food banks provide support to those in need. Making nutritious food more affordable through subsidies and economic incentives ensures that healthy options like fruits and vegetables are accessible to low-income families. For example, in the Brazil, they have a program there called Zero Hunger Program. Combine the food aid, the nutrition, education, and support for local farmers to reduce undernutrition and strengthen food security. The seventh strategies in global food security is they utilize technology and innovation. Technology plays a key role in improving food production and sustainability. The AI or the artificial intelligence and big data help farmers monitor soil conditions, and predict weather patterns for better planning. Urban areas benefit from vertical farming and hydroponics, which allows food to be grown in small spaces without soil. Expanding alternative protein sources such as lab-grown meat and lab-grown meat and plant-based proteins can reduce reliance on traditional livestock farming, making food production more efficient and sustainable. Like for an instance, the Singapore uses vertical farming, the artificial intelligence or the AI and alternative proteins to enhance food security and reduce import reliance. Technology enhances food production with smart farming, urban methods, and new protein sources. The last strategies in global food security, but not the least, the strengthened policy and governance. This is effective policies and governance ensure food security for all. Governments can create national and international strategies to promote sustainable food systems, protecting land and water resources through responsible management practices, helps maintain long-term agricultural productivity. Collaboration between the NGO, the national government organizations, and private companies ensures that food policies are well coordinated and effectively implemented. And effectively implemented. For an instance, so for example, in the African Union CAGP supports African countries in developing sustainable agricultural policies, improving resource management, and driving agricultural growth through investments and partnerships. So strong policies and collaboration support sustainable food systems and resource management. So in conclusion, achieving global food security is a challenging but attainable goal that demands commitment, innovation, and collaboration. By boosting productivity, cutting waste, supporting farmers, and leveraging technology, we can build a resilient, sustainable food system. With united efforts, we can ensure that no one goes hungry and food productions coexist with a healthy planet. That would be all. Thank you.